If you've been seeing beautylulus.com online, you may be wondering one thing. Is this website actually legit? So, I took a closer look. Beautylulus.com is an online beauty store. It sells skincare, makeup, hair care, and body care products. The website looks modern and professional. It also uses Shopify and has a valid SSL certificate. Those are positive signs. But there are some red flags. The domain was registered in October 2025. So, beautylulus.com is still a very young website. That means it does not have a long track record yet. I also found some concerning trust reports. Scam Advisor currently gives beautylulus.com a very low trust score. It also flags the site as potentially unsafe. Scam Detector gives it a score of just 36.1 out of 100. And it gets more concerning. Gridinsoft has classified the website as high risk. It points to the site's young domain, limited independent reputation, and other suspicious signals. Now, this does not automatically prove that beautylulus.com is a scam. The website is active. It accepts common payment methods, and it has contact information listed on the site. But personally, I would still be careful. I would not place a large order here. If you decide to try it, use a payment method with buyer protection. Avoid sending unnecessary personal information.